Welcome to Brainwave Learning Hub. The truth about placebo. Can belief really heal you? When we think of medicine, we often picture potent drugs or complex surgeries, but what if I told you that something as simple as a sugar pill could have a profound impact on our health? This is the curious case of the placebo effect. In essence, a placebo is a treatment with no inherent therapeutic value. Despite lacking active ingredients, placebos can trigger real, measurable improvements. The word placebo is Latin for "I shall please." Early healers often administered inert substances, believing they held some mystical healing property. The placebo effect highlights the mind's power to influence the body's healing processes. For many years, the placebo effect was shrouded in mystery, often dismissed as a mere figment of the imagination. However, advancements in neuroscience have illuminated the biological underpinnings of this intriguing phenomenon. The placebo effect is a complex interplay of neurochemicals and neural pathways. Expecting a treatment to work releases neurotransmitters like endorphins, dopamine, and serotonin. These chemicals create well-being and reduce discomfort. The placebo effect also modulates brain regions associated with pain, emotion, and motor control. It highlights the brain's plasticity and the mind-body connection in healthcare. The placebo effect is not just a curious anomaly, it's a critical factor in medical research. To accurately assess the effectiveness of new drugs and therapies, scientists rely on randomized controlled trials, and placebos play a crucial role in these trials. In an RCT, participants are randomly assigned to receive either the experimental treatment or a placebo. This random assignment ensures that any observed differences between the two groups can be attributed to the treatment itself and not to other factors. To further eliminate bias, researchers employ blinding techniques. In single-blind studies, participants are unaware of whether they are receiving the real treatment or the placebo. Double-blind studies take it a step further, with both the participants and the researchers administering the treatment unaware of who's receiving what. The use of placebos in research allows scientists to isolate the true effect of a treatment from the powerful influence of expectation. It helps determine whether a new drug's benefits are truly due to its pharmacological properties or simply the placebo effect in action. However, the placebo effect's influence extends beyond the lab, impacting our everyday lives in surprising ways. Beyond the pill, the placebo effect in everyday life. The placebo effect isn't confined to the sterile environment of a research laboratory. It permeates our daily experiences, shaping our responses to everything from a cup of herbal tea to a reassuring word from a loved one. Have you ever felt better after taking a sugar pill, believing it to be a painkiller? Or experienced a surge of energy after drinking a beverage marketed as an energy drink, even if it contained no stimulants? These are all examples of the placebo effect in action, demonstrating the potent influence of our beliefs and expectations on our physical and mental states. The ritualistic aspect of treatment also plays a role. The simple act of taking a pill, undergoing a procedure, or even visiting a doctor can trigger a cascade of psychological and physiological responses that contribute to healing. The placebo effect underscores the importance of the mind-body connection and the interconnectedness of our physical and mental well-being. By harnessing the power of positive expectations, mindfulness, and supportive relationships, we can potentially enhance our body's natural healing abilities. Ethical considerations: navigating the placebo paradox. While the placebo effect presents exciting possibilities for enhancing healthcare, it also raises important ethical considerations. The use of deception, even with the intention of promoting well-being, presents a moral dilemma. Is it justifiable to deceive patients, even if it leads to positive outcomes? This question has sparked ongoing debate in the medical community. Some argue that the potential benefits of placebos, particularly in managing pain and improving quality of life, outweigh the ethical concerns. Others contend that informed consent is paramount and patients have the right to know exactly what treatments they're receiving. Transparency and open communication between healthcare providers and patients are crucial to navigate this ethical grey area. The placebo effect serves as a powerful reminder of the complex interplay between our minds, bodies, and the social contexts in which we heal. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of this enigmatic phenomenon, it is essential to proceed with caution, ensuring that ethical considerations remain at the forefront of our exploration.